Let's take a look at this IKEA Side Table. That's the name of it. I don't even want to pronounce it. That's a town in Norway, by the way. Those are the specs. This is what you get in the packaging. This costs around 790 rupees or $11 or so. You have to assemble everything. Comes with detailed instructions. It's quite simple though, pretty straightforward. This is what we get. We get two metal shelves. Rather than styrofoam, they use cardboard in the packaging. Those are the screws. These are the legs. That's how it looks once you build it. Takes about 10 to 15 minutes. That's the only tool you need, which comes in the packaging. It has 2 screws on either side and 16 in total. It's quite strong too. Works quite well as a side table. Very simple and easy to put together. Quite nice. Check it out.